Hey, James from Nature Spy here, and we're just quickly going to show you how to remove and insert a battery tray on a Browning trail camera. So when you've got your camera, open up the front door. If you hit the eject button here, the tray will pop out. It has a catch internally which stops it going any further without a firm pull. This is to prevent the battery trays like flying out when you're in the field. So if you give that firm pull, the tray will come out. You can now put your batteries in. Once you've got your batteries in, like this, in this tray, you slide it back up and give it a firm press to go back in. If when you press the eject button when you've got battery trays in, that catch will still be there. So you'll still need to give it a good tug to get it out. And sometimes it's a case of having to press firmly on the bottom to get it to click into place. Close your camera up and you're ready to go.